Welcome to the Ergosoft demo installation guide. In this video I will show you how to install the Ergosoft demo version without a dongle. You will need the setup file from Ergosoft as well as the license activation link that you have received either from your vendor or from Ergosoft directly. To get the installer, go to the Ergosoft user portal and log in with your account. If you do not yet have an account, you can easily register one by clicking on this link. Once you have signed up, click Sign Me In to log in. Go to Download, Ergosoft Installer, the latest version. To begin the installation, double-click on the setup file and confirm any prompts that appear. Select your preferred language and confirm. Click Next, agree to the license agreement, select your destination folder for the installation, and in the next dialog you have two choices. Dongle version code meter is for when you have a USB dongle plugged into your system. For this dongle free trial, select Evaluation Dongle Free Version CMACT. Click Install to begin. This dialog asks you to set the path for the user data. The user data folder contains all user-specific settings, such as your parameters, print environments, and profiles. Leave it at the default path and confirm with OK. Now it's time to activate the license. Copy the license activation ticket that you received, open your browser, and paste the link. Sign in with the same account that you used for the user data portal, and after signing in, paste the link again. Click Activate Selected Licenses now. When the process is complete, confirm with OK, and go back to the installation. Click Continue. Next. Specify if you want to start the control center together with Windows automatically and if you want to create a desktop shortcut. When you have made your setting, click Finish. The Control Center acts as a launcher from where you can start the different modules of Ergosoft. Click Job Composer to start the main program window. Since we do not yet have a print environment, the program asks us to add one. Click Add or Import if you want to import an existing one. Click Add Queue. Click Next. Select the printer type you want to use. As an example, we will use an Ergosoft print environment. Select the port type that you want to use. Depending on which printer you select, different ports will be available here. Click OK. This is a file output port, so we select a folder for file output. Depending on your printer, you might want to select an appropriate status monitor type. Click Next. Set a name for your new print environment as well as a name for your queue. Click Finish. This will open the print environment settings. Here you can configure different aspects of your print environment. Print environments act as packages of settings that concern your printer specifically. So you have settings such as resolution that you can change, dense linearization, printer profile, print queue and a port, extras, media size, cost factors for cost calculations, as well as device options, which are specific device settings that you might also find on the printer's panel. Confirm with OK, and confirm with OK again. This will launch the main program window. The job area represents your print material. This is where you'll be able to arrange images and lay out your job. The Print Environments drop-down menu lets you select from configured print environments, and you can click the Print Settings button at any time to access your print settings. To import an image, right-click anywhere in the job and click Import Image. You can also select from pre-configured test images by selecting Test Images. When you have an image in the job, you will notice that the Properties and Actions pane changes. Depending on whether you currently have an image selected, it will show the properties and actions associated with images for image editing, or if you deselect it, you will see the properties and actions associated with the job. To print an image, first start the print queue. Clicking the print queue button will always start the print queue associated with the currently selected print environment. By default, print queues will start in offline mode. This means that they do not communicate with the printer and do not send out data. To make it ready to send out print jobs, set the queue to online. Click the print button to launch your print job and confirm with OK. You will see the job first appears in the RIP section where it will be rastered. Once rastering is complete, it moves into the print section where it is sent out to the printer, and then it moves into the Done section after it is completed. And that concludes our setup guide. After the trial period, if you want to switch to USB dongle with your final license, keep in mind that you'll need to reinstall the software and select dongle version during the installation. Of course, all your settings and configurations will be retained. Thanks for watching.